apartment or the house we have been renting. So this is the entrance. It's 3 floors as well.
So you have the first floor here. See the rooms, and after that you can see the stair over there. So go up one more, stay up.
We have 4 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms actually.
Exactly.
So we have a kitchen here, and the first bathroom is here, and then we have...
Wait. Over here.
And then we have the best part, and that's the pool area. So nice. It's like, I'm very inspired because we have a flag as well here.
You get the shower outside here before you go into the pool.
So you can take a shower before taking swim in the pool. What is this?
Lamps stink.
So should we wait other people?
Yeah. But I think why we don't like show because everyone's like sleeping now, so we wake up early today because we were so hungry. So yeah.
Should we show them just the first floor?
Yeah, we can show the first floor and just the room because almost the rooms look like the same. This is how it looks like from upside down. Or from here down.
Yes. And then we have the bedroom. Like this.
It's one of the bedrooms.
And then we have just the bathroom.
And bathroom.
So
Jag tänkte mer såhär, jag gillar att du...
Kalles Caviar, do you know what that is?
Kalles Caviar?
Yeah, Kalles Caviar. Have you tried it? It's like a...
It's a caviar, but it's a Swedish one from the rum, from the lax, from fish.
It's salmon fish. So, but it's like mixed with something else. It's very salt. Okay, caviar is salty, but it's a very specific flavor that usually only Swedish people eat. And I want you to say, jag älskar Kalles Caviar.
Jag älskar Kalles Caviar.
That's really good.
Yeah.
That means that I love Kalles Caviar, the Swedish thing.
Okay.
Yeah. Jag älskar Kalles Caviar.
Jag älskar Kalles Caviar.
That is good.
That's really good. In the jungle, the lions sleep tonight.
Our no.
Welcome adventure when everyone's have a wet feet and their water is too high, and everyone is here and trying to get over.
Look at this.
Yeah.
They're rabbit shoes. Walking in the water.
Everyone is trying to get over, but I fell one time behind me. You don't dare get in the camera. There's the waterfall. It's so strong. How do you feel about this? Do you want to swim?
He said it was okay to swim.
Okay, is it
Okay.
possible? Okay.
To swim. I don't know if I'm gonna come out of this alive. He's there to catch us.
Yeah.
He stands there in the way.
There's our security. If one of us just go with the, go in the what's in the water, so he's there to catch us up like a fish.
Man, I still go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter.
Yeah, now we are heading back. I want to, of course, have the camera like in to show you the hardest way to get to the waterfall, but damn, you cannot have like. I should have another arm or maybe two to just get like by, because it was like so much water. You need to go in the river actually to get around, to get in the path that actually go back forward. So everyone here is like dirty, wet, but happy because we take, of course, a swim, a little bit swim on the little bit of a peaceful like part of Waterfall, but this was amazing. Look at everyone now. I think everyone is a little bit sweat, a little bit wet, and happy. And here's more easy to go. We have been climbing and going on water and everything for almost like 20 minutes or 30 minutes. Try to get up over here.
Don't wear nice dress when you're walking in the jungle.
No, exactly. Don't try to be fancy when going in the jungle.
Oh my God.
You're gonna ruin your clothes. Or like me, have a white shark. Not good at all.
I like the color of the sun.
Yeah. You can do a face mask with it, mom.
Yeah, we should.
Crab from this province only that you can see. And this name is not found by common people. It was found by the own cloud princess.
Ah.
What should they?
Yes. They
In the
call
tree.
one day, yes, will be orchid with the flower.
Can you take home that? Can you travel with us?
Yes, you'll get the ticket from the rangers.
Want to bring it home
Yeah.
at Orchid?
Souvenir for the jungle.
Now it's on. Can you walk a little bit further? So we pretend walk.
Okay, let's come on catwalk.
Är det nu du ska sjunga? Ja, Watch out! We are mama.
The gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down. You can
Here we got some green curry with chicken and some other vegetables. And here we got chicken with cashew. Smell amazing and seems so good. And you bring something more.
Stay tuned.
Yeah, stay tuned.
Is it very spicy?
No.
No, it's for tourists.
No spicy.
Wow. The smell is like sweet. Like it smells so sweet.
Everything we try is sweet.
Yeah, but I think this one is like from downstairs actually, because they have like a pineapple farm down there, down the hill.
Oh my god. It's so soft. Yeah.
Wow.
So.
I think we'll buy some more pineapples from here and get home. This was amazing. For breakfast, dinner and lunch.
Just melts.
Yeah, it melts in your mouth, yeah. And it tastes like a bit honey. I like the sweetness of it.
It doesn't have too much stones.
It's not like
It's not so chewy.
It's
Yeah.
not like strings feeling that you
Yeah.
can have in Sweden.
Oh, amazing.
Ja, det är 9 stycken. Vilket ojämnt antal.